In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics account in just 5 minutes. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can provide detailed insights into your website's traffic and user behavior, which is crucial for understanding and improving your online presence. Let's dive into the process, which is quick, easy, and straightforward. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Analytics. If you're unsure how to get there, you can simply type Google Analytics into your search engine, and it should be the first result. Alternatively, go directly to the link provided in the video description. This page is your gateway to understanding the vast array of analytics tools and solutions offered by Google. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, you'll see a prominent button that says Get Started Today. Go ahead and click on that. This step is the beginning of your journey into the world of analytics. It's as simple as making a single click, and you're ready to proceed further. Now it's time to sign in. You'll need to use an existing Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Having a Google account is essential since it ties all Google services, including analytics, together. Enter your email address and password associated with your Google account in the login fields. After entering your details, click Next to move forward. Once logged in, Google Analytics opens up a new interface for you to create your account. Here you'll be presented with a series of options and settings. Don't worry, this is simpler than it looks. You'll start by entering your account name. This name is for your reference, so choose something that clearly represents the site or app you're going to track. Next, you'll be asked to set up your property details. A property in Google Analytics is essentially the website or app you want to track. Enter a relevant name and provide the website URL. It's vital to input these details correctly to ensure accurate data collection. You'll also need to select an industry category and reporting time zone. These options help tailor your data reports to fit your specific business needs and location. Be mindful when selecting the time zone, as this will affect how your reports are generated. After setting up your property, Google will ask if you want to accept their data sharing settings. These options allow you to choose whether you want to share your data with other Google products and services, among others. It's ultimately up to you to decide which options best align with your privacy preferences. Finally, after reviewing all your settings, click Create. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a Google Analytics account. It may take a little while before you start seeing data roll in, so be patient. Now that your account is ready, you can explore the various reports available to get a more in-depth look at your web traffic and user behaviors. And there you have it. Creating a Google Analytics account can be done in just a few minutes. Having this set up is a crucial step towards optimizing your online presence and ensuring your website is performing at its best. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.